Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Abegi Swad. Today I am with a snack recipe that is corn chaat with a little twist. You can prepare this within 3 minutes. Hope you will love this recipe, but before starting the video, make sure like, comment and share. Also subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified about the upcoming exciting videos. For the corn chaat, I am using frozen sweet corn kernels. Take out from the freezer about 10 to 15 minutes before further processing. I have taken 2 cups of water along a teaspoon salt. Let it simmer. Add a cup of corn kernels. Boil the kernels for a minute. I'm making this for 2 people, me and my little bro. Switch off the flame and drain the excess water. Now in a bowl, transfer all the boiled corn kernels. Add half teaspoon of butter, then sprinkle some red chilli powder or chilli flakes. Add according to your spice tolerance. My brother loves spicy foods, but I can't tolerate, so I am making according to my preferences. And then next we are gonna add some chaat masala. मैंने चाट मसाला ठोक के डाला है, and followed by some salt. Add salt as per your taste. Mix and toss everything well, and tada, you are ready with your plain corn chaat. This is the healthy version. You can just obviously enjoy like this, but we're gonna stay forward. As this bowl can't be put into the microwave, so I'm transferring everything into a microwave safe cup or mug. Next, add some mayonnaise. जितना डालना है डाल लो, no problem. Now add a layer of cheese. फिर I am adding some toppings like onion, then some paneer cubes. मैंने पनीर क्यूब्स को थोड़ा सॉल्ट और मिर्ची पाउडर्स में टॉस कर लिया है. And you can add your favorite toppings whatever you want. Then add a handful of cheese. जितना मन करे ठोक के डालो. फिर माइक्रो ओवन में डाल दो just for 30 seconds or until the cheese melts. और अपना झटपट बनने वाला स्नैक बन के तैयार हो गया है. It's ready to be served. Serve hot. अभी पिज़्ज़ा में जैसे ओरिगानो और चिली फ्लेक्स को स्प्रिंकल करते हैं ऊपर से, वैसे ही मैं भी वही कर रही हूँ थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा किक के लिए. एंड tada, the yummy cheesy corn chaat is तैयार. Just look at the cheese pool. OMG, oh lovely. Make this quick snack and serve your friends and family. Comment down below how it turned out. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Bye.